Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Google Forms. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to share your form quickly, especially in print materials, presentations, or anywhere people can simply scan and access your form instantly with their mobile devices. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that contains the form you want to create a QR code for. This step is essential because you'll need access to your saved forms to proceed. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section called Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or worked on recently. Browse through this list and click on the form you want to create a QR code for. This will open the form editor where you can view and make changes to your form's content and settings. Now that you're in the form editor, here's where the magic happens. Right-click anywhere on the page using your mouse. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and select Create QR Code for this page. This feature generates a scannable QR code that links directly to your form, making it incredibly convenient for anyone who needs quick access without typing a URL. Once you've selected that option, a QR code will be generated for your form. Now navigate to the upper right panel of your screen and click on Download. This action saves the QR code image to your device, allowing you to use it wherever you need, whether that's in a document, poster, email, or presentation. After clicking Download, you might need to wait just a moment for the file to process and save to your device. Once that's complete, navigate back to the upper right panel. You should see a button that says New Download Available. Click on this button, which will open your Downloads folder or prompt you to locate the file. Find the QR code you just downloaded and click Open to view it and confirm it saved correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Google form that anyone can scan to access your form instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.